In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in Quip, @mention. If you've ever needed to quickly draw a teammate's attention to a specific line, comment, or decision, @mentions are the fastest way to do it in Quip. They turn a name into a clickable tag and send a notification so the right person can jump in without hunting through the document. Let's get started. Place your cursor exactly where you want the mention to appear. This can be in the main body of a document, inside a comment, or even in a chat thread within Quip. Now, simply type the symbol. As soon as you type it, Quip opens a small suggestion menu that's ready to help you complete the mention. Begin typing the person's name right after the symbol. With each letter, Quip narrows the list to people in your workspace who match what you've typed. If several people share similar names, keep typing until you see the correct one. You can click the name to select it, or use the arrow keys and press Enter to confirm. Once selected, the name becomes a formatted mention. You can continue writing your sentence normally before or after it. A few quick tips as you choose the right person. Double-check spelling if you don't immediately see the match you expect. If multiple results appear, glance at the profile photo or role details shown in the suggestions to help you pick the right contact. If you change your mind, delete the mention like regular text and try again. And for clarity, it often helps to add a short phrase after the mention explaining what you need, such as a question, a due date, or a quick summary. After you insert the mention, the person you tagged will typically receive a notification depending on their settings. That could be a desktop alert, a mobile push, or an email. The notification links straight back to your document and scrolls them to the exact spot where you mentioned them, which saves time and reduces back and forth. This is especially helpful in longer documents or active threads where context can get buried. Use mentions thoughtfully so they stay meaningful. Tag the person closest to the task or decision, and keep the mention near the exact line that needs attention. If it's a quick check, one mention is usually enough. If the context changes later, add a new mention at the relevant spot so the person gets a fresh, focused alert. That's all there is to it. Type the symbol, start entering the name, select the correct person, and Quip takes care of the notification. Try it in your next document or comment to streamline your collaboration.